Well, tonight we have a THV11 update to the case of the West Memphis Three. We recently told you about new hope that recently rediscovered evidence could lead to a positive ID on the real killer. But now the prosecutor's office is pushing back and setting up a possible court battle. THV11's Ashley Godwin talks to a defense lawyer for Damien Echols, who has fought for almost 30 years to clear his name.
We waited 18 months from the time that the former prosecutor had agreed to allow us to test this evidence. It's outrageous.
In a tweet sent Tuesday morning, Damien Echols, one of the men accused in killing 3 West Memphis boys, said the prosecutor in Arkansas has refused to cooperate with new DNA testing. He says if we want it done, we'll have to fight for it in court. This comes just a month after attorneys for Echols found evidence that was thought to be destroyed, including shoelaces used to tie the boys up. Now they want DNA testing.
The public interest is only served by moving this along and testing the forensic evidence as soon as possible.
The prosecuting attorney, Keith Chrestman, has asked Echols' legal team to file a request for the evidence to be tested through the courts, something they didn't expect and don't understand.
Why in the world, after waiting 18 months to find this evidence, would the prosecutor ask us to go through this formality when it's unnecessary?
We reached out to the prosecuting attorney's office with questions, and we haven't heard back. In the meantime, Sori says the defense is filing that request.
We hope that the Arkansas courts will move expeditiously and approve this DNA testing.
In Little Rock, Ashley Godwin, THV11 News.
Back at the end of December, the West Memphis police chief resigned the same week this new evidence was discovered. The city said his resignation had nothing to do with the case. And now, while a search committee finds a new chief, the city has promoted an officer to assistant chief who is currently taking over the chief's duties.